The Washington State Department of Transportation State Route Bridge Vertical Clearance Trip Planner. The trip planner is a tool for planning routes for loads that have heights up to 16 feet tall for state highways. First, enter the height of the load. Then you're going to want to enter the route number that you want to look at. In this case, we'll put Interstate 90. You want to be careful to only enter the numerical value of the highway. The program will not recognize alpha characters. Choose Submit. The program will display red and yellow dots. Red dots mean the vehicle will not pass under. Yellow dots, the vehicle could pass under if the correct lane were chosen. Let's take a look at a yellow dot. Zooming in on the structure, make sure that there is only one dot in the area. You can select the dot by hovering the cursor over it, and a pop-up will display. Expand the pop-up. The pop-up will give you some information. Looking west, minimum 15 feet 8 inches, maximum 16 feet, and the milepost, 175.41. Scrolling down, it'll give you lane by lane vertical clearance, meaning lane 1 from roadway surface to the bottom of the structure is 16 feet. Lane 2 from roadway surface to the bottom of structure is 15 feet 8 inches. Next, let's take a look at one of the red dots. Close out of the pop-up by hitting the X in the bottom or top left corner. Scroll out, identify the red dot, hover, select, expand. Again, looking west, milepost 188.89, minimum and maximum. Scrolling down, lane by lane. When you have a red dot, you need to determine if there is an up and over available. Find the red dot, scroll in on the red dot, change the map. Go over to Base Maps, choose Imagery Hybrid, zoom in on the structure. At exit 188, there is an off-ramp available. You can go off the off-ramp and back onto the interstate using the on-ramp and avoid the structure. There will be times when there is not an off-ramp available. You're going to want to switch back to the WSDOT base map, choose Input back to the main screen, zoom out on the area that you're looking at. Now you'll see that we're in Grant County, Washington. Go over to the local agency contact, county permitting offices, select Grant, and contact Grant County for permission to use their roadway. To recap, the Washington State Department of Transportation State Route Bridge Vertical Clearance Trip Planner is a tool for planning routes for loads that have heights up to 16 feet tall on state routes. The red dots indicate that the vehicle will not pass underneath. The yellow dots indicate that the vehicle could pass if the correct lane were chosen. This concludes the tutorial for the State Route Bridge Vertical Clearance Trip Planner. If you have any questions, please contact our permit office at 360-704-6340, or you can email us at cvspermits@wsdot.wa.gov. Thank you.